Video in a while, so it's time to see my videos. So I'll get something put out. Filthy. Even though I just washed and waxed it, all that time of the year gets all over everything. So you go right over through Bankhead National Forest today. Hey, how's everybody doing? So today's going to be almost 84 degrees in northern Alabama. After Monday we had snow, and oh my God, in one day, 24 hours, we had all 4 seasons here in North Alabama. So today I'm getting out and riding my motorcycle. I need to get out and knock some of this pollen off of this thing. So yeah, should be a good day of riding. Of course, I got to be back in time to watch the Duke basketball game at 4 o'clock. But however, need to do some riding, help with chores today, house chores today. And besides, I haven't put out a video in a while, so it's time to get out and make some videos, put on YouTube. I know y'all waiting impatiently to see my videos. So yeah, my bike is filthy. Even though I just washed and waxed it, all that pollen up here in North Alabama. It's that time of the year, it gets all over everything, so only way to get it off is go out and ride today. So it should be a good day of riding. I'm gonna go right over through Bankhead National Forest today, get some photos of the bike, get some videos to post on YouTube. Yeah, this is my motorcycle man cave. A little bit of everything in here.
Hey, got a new setup here with this nice 360 X5 and the Bluetooth mic. Going out for a ride today. Beautiful day here in Alabama. A little chilly this morning. Looking warm up to be about 84 degrees today. So I had to get out and knock some pollen off my bike. Gotta do some safe tours for tomorrow. Interesting. But yeah, it'll be a great day. Hey, I apologize to all my subscribers and followers. Haven't put out a YouTube video. It seems like forever, and I apologize. Work has really had me busy. You know, obviously with this stuff going on in the world, it kind of keeps me working. Sometimes I'm calling the weekend, so I don't go out and take the videos or anything because I need to get called into work. So yeah. So I apologize for that. I'm gonna try to start doing better this year, make more videos. That's my goal, anyway. So you, my subscribers who are following me, my loyal followers, can actually see what I'm out doing. And this is where I'm in farm country here in North Alabama, as you can tell. We're in traffic jam. But it's all good. And they don't stop. Neither am I. So it feels good to be back on the bike. I rode work one time last week on the bike was nice, but it was good. Although last Monday we ended up getting snow. So we had 4 seasons within 24 hours last Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. Monday I got washed my motorcycle, waxing it. Monday it was cold as heck, and then we got snow. It was rain, and then it got nice now. So yeah, it got cold here. Yeah, it was quite the weird weather this year. But it's all good now. Start warming up. Have to get outside and riding. To come and take a photo wax. One asked permission. The guy was like really cool about it. He said, "Yeah, go ahead, take a picture. Don't steal my sign." So I don't need the sign, but I did like
think this is a cool place. It matches my bike really well out here in the country. And he said I can come back here anytime I want to take pictures, so that's cool. And then I took a selfie on my drone, got the drone up, and yeah, so this should be cool. And he said come back anytime, just leave him a picture in his mailbox. Right out here riding Alabama. That's a cool little gas station this guy put together. I did go ask for permission before I came over here to get on, because it is more private property. So I want to be a courteous biker so I can come back here again. But he gave me permission anytime I'm by here to come and take a picture here. He just wants a picture of my motorcycle here. Oh, that's cool.
Beautiful day out today. Probably in those high 60s right now, but beautiful weather. Here in about an hour, I'll be able to take my weight jacket off and let's go with Tuesday. Feels good to be out riding again. Out here in farm country in Alabama. Is utilize these cameras, the X5 360, and then also my H Pro 2 camera as well. I want to make sure I get a lot of good footage because I'm only going on it once, so I'm going back to get additional footage. So it's going to be a long ride. I just want to make sure I get all the epic footage that I can to help my YouTube channel grow when I hit Route 66 or something. Well, at least it's a good day to be knocking the pollen off the bike. Go over here and check out Brushy Lake, see what's going on over here. Well, I made it home from my ride. It was a good, enjoyable ride. I got a new windshield on my motorcycle, so I'm going to test it out today. It's a little 10.5-inch Clockworks, which
Works a lot better than that 8-inch windshield I had on.
yeah. So had a good day riding. Stopped over at the local car today. It's fuel strip and had a big event going on. So yeah, so it was all good. So I can't even leave for a little bit. I have happy dogs. Gabby, Chase, huh? What are you doing, huh? What, Gabby? You all happy? You all happy I'm home, huh? Gabby, huh? You all happy? I think they're happy. I came home from a motorcycle ride. Now it's time for dogs to play. They've broken in the pool already. And that's the first time Chase has ever jumped in the pool. But I guess the pool's warm enough for them. Anyways, this is fun to come home to the dogs after a long ride. I didn't say a long ride. About riding weather. Now come home to do some work around the house. And watch my dogs have some fun.